Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review that every outdoor enthusiast needs. Especially if you're a San Francisco 49ers fan looking to stay dry during those unpredictable game days. Introducing the Hagon Pro Disposable Rain Ponchos for adults. A must-have for anyone who wants to enjoy their outdoor activities, rain or shine. Now, let's dive into what makes these ponchos stand out. First off, the Hagon Pro Ponchos come in a convenient pack of 5, making them perfect for a group outing to a 49ers game or any outdoor event where the weather might not cooperate. Each poncho is designed to be lightweight and portable. You can easily stash a few in your backpack, purse, or even your car's glove compartment, ensuring you're always prepared for sudden rain showers. One of the best features of the Hagon Pro Ponchos is their thickness. At 0.035 mm, they are some of the thickest disposable rain ponchos you'll find on the market. This durability means they can withstand the elements without tearing or leaking, so you can focus on enjoying the game rather than worrying about getting soaked. When it comes to comfort, these ponchos have you covered. The design prevents the sauna effect many other ponchos create, allowing air to flow through while still keeping you dry. Whether you're cheering for the 49ers or taking a leisurely hike, you won't feel trapped in a suffocating plastic cocoon. These ponchos are versatile and perfect for any occasion. From outdoor concerts and sporting events to family outings at amusement parks or even just a day of fishing. The Hagon Pro Ponchos are your go-to solution for unexpected weather. Let's talk about the ease of use. Each poncho comes individually packed, which is not only convenient but also hygienic. They unfold easily and can be worn in seconds. Simply take it out of its packaging, throw it on over your clothes, and you're good to go. And for those of you who might be concerned about size, worry not. The adult ponchos measure 50 inches by 40 inches, providing ample coverage for most body types, even when wearing a backpack. This ensures that you and your friends will stay dry and comfortable, no matter the size of the downpour. So, why choose the Hagon Pro Ponchos? Well, not only do they provide superior coverage and comfort, but they also save you money in the long run. With a price point of just $11.99 for a pack of 5, you're not just getting ponchos. You're getting peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever the weather throws your way. And let's not forget the rave reviews. Hagon Pro Ponchos have garnered a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars based on thousands of customer ratings. Their popularity speaks volumes about the quality and performance of these ponchos. Another fun aspect is the variety of colors available. Whether you want to rock the classic red and gold for the 49ers or go for something more neutral, Hagon Pro has you covered. Plus, the vibrant colors ensure you'll stand out, even in the rain. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key points. The Hagon Pro Disposable Rain Ponchos are thick, durable, comfortable, and incredibly convenient. Perfect for sporting events, outdoor concerts, or any occasion where the weather can be unpredictable. You'll never have to worry about getting drenched while cheering for your favorite team or enjoying a day out with friends and family. So there you have it. If you're looking for the best rain poncho to keep you dry and stylish during those thrilling 49ers games, look no further than the Hagon Pro Disposable Rain Ponchos. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when those clouds roll in unexpectedly. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments your favorite outdoor activities and how you prepare for unpredictable weather. Stay dry, stay happy, and see you next time.